So hey guys, today I want to show you the easiest and fastest way to remove center caps off a wheel. A lot of times people think you have to go from the back side by taking the rim off and then popping these out. But I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this that you don't have to remove the wheel, and it takes minutes. Okay? First thing you need is a cup, something with a flat bottom. So I'm going to use this. Anything will work. Should be pretty flat in the bottom. And then you're going to need, it's called butyl tape. You can get it at most hardware stores. I got some left over from the rim guards. But all you're going to do is put little strips across here and then take the cup, the bottom side of the cup, and really press it really hard against it. And it'll kind of smash the tape out, and then pull back really fast. Not slow. You have to do like a snapping motion. And if it doesn't work on the first try, put it back on, try it, you'll get it 2 or 3 times. But the key is on this butyl tape here. Super sticky. And after you use it, you can reuse it again too. It's best if it's a little warm, so if it's cold in your garage, just heat the tape up very slightly. It'll get it really tacky. Let me go ahead and show you how to do this. This will save you guys a lot too, if you guys want to customize your center caps or replace them, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to put strips here. You want to make sure you get all sides of it, because you know there's tabs around the center cap that locks it in. So I'm just going to put like maybe 3 strips here. Like I said, just smash it in there. The best thing I can say is make sure the center cap's clean though. If it has dirt on it, it's not really going to stick. So clean it really well with some dish soap and it'll come right off, guys. Okay, so after you have the tape where you want it, now you're just going to take the bottom side of the cup. Anything will work. I would just stay away from glass. And you're going to press it really hard on there and do it like a snapping motion. Pull back, okay? So real hard. There you go. Like I said, if you try it and it doesn't work the first time, put the tape back on there. I guarantee you it's going to come off. It's the easiest way to do this. I know some people weren't believers of it, saying it doesn't really work. It does. I've done this when I installed the wheel guards or the rim guards. Worked on every single wheel. Perfect. I mean, you can look what it did too. It pulled some of the color off of the bottom of the cup, even more of it. It already was like that, but it just pulled more of it. Yeah, I took the wheel guards off right now because I'm probably gonna get these tires rotated. But it works. It's the only way, in my opinion, to do it. Like, there's no point in taking the wheel off, retorquing your lugs to get a center cap off. This is the easiest way. You're not breaking any tabs. You're not using a screwdriver. It's perfect. So if you guys want to customize your center caps, painting them, plasti dipping them, whatever you want to do, pick up some butyl tape. Take off all your caps, probably 15 minutes, all of them. Like I said, once you get the hang of it, how to do it, it's really good. And like I said, this stuff is super sticky. So after you use it, you can reuse it, so don't throw it away. Okay? So I hope that helps you guys out. Easy way. I've been trying to find a great way to do this for a long time that actually works. I've tried the suction cup method. Doesn't work because it has the emblem popping out of the center cap, so it can't really sit flush. This is the only thing that'll really work, if you, especially if your cap has any emblem on it like that. Okay, guys? So I hope that helps you guys out. Make it a little easier for you. And I appreciate it. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.